Congratulations there to Hermes on winning the head of house for a second time, following the path of Eloswag. He now enjoys immunity, of course, through a week that saw Bella, Brian, Chomzy, Doyin, Eloswag, and Fina up for possible eviction. All right, Big Brother has no time to waste, and I've been informed that it's time to carry out tonight's first eviction. Remember, the vote count and ranking of contestants have been independently computed by Deloitte as compared against the vote results determined by Mnet. Let's go into the house. Wait, what's up, Hermes?
Very well, Luca.
Second time head of house. Actually, you know what? Before I go into the head of house conversation, let's just get through with the eviction first of all. With the nominated housemates, please stand. The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija Level Up house is Doyin. Eloswag. You have been evicted.
Goodbye, baby girl.
Chomzy.
Oh my God. It looks fucking smart.
This baby boy or girl.
Chomzy, no.
Did you give the one to shakes? Are you the one?
I don't understand.
Where's the money? Is we shake?
I gave it to Shake. Wait, what's going on? This place is beautiful. Wow.
Who else did they
Hey,
save?
look how cute you are there.
Who did they save, guy? See you.
After you, it was me.